Hey, kid.
Welcome back to Psst, Hey Kid. And I am Rick, and I'm here talking again with my friend and mentor, JM. And say hi, JM.
Hi.
Yay!
We are in the middle of a little mini-series here called The Four Amigos. Yes, and we did our first Amigo a couple days ago, vitamin D, and today we are moving on to
Calcium.
Yay!
calcium. And from our discussions beforehand, this one's kind of interesting because this one, there has to be a little caution involved. Is that right?
Sort of, yeah, kind of.
Because I mean, if you overdo it, it can have some deleterious effects. The word of the day is deleterious. It means injurious to health. Injurious means harmful, or from the original Greek, destructive.
Deleterious.
Yes, and thank you for that explanation there, Professor Pierce. You were telling me earlier that we do get a lot of calcium in our normal diet, if we have something approaching a normal diet, and that if we overdo it, if we supplement, sometimes things could get a little dicey.
Vitamin D that we talked about in the last video of this mini-series, its relationship with calcium. Calcium helps to build your bones, and D is necessary for your body to absorb calcium. So that's the relationship between D and calcium, the first two amigos.
We actually do get, again, I'm repeating myself a little bit, but we do get quite a bit of calcium from our diet. Is that correct?
Absolutely. So it was sort of like trendy because osteoporosis in women that had passed menopause had kind of skyrocketed. So they assumed it was a calcium deficiency. And
I remember that.
Yeah.
I remember that being a big topic when I was younger.
And erroneously, the women were guided to start slamming calcium supplements. This was a mistake because they then found out, as it was the trend, to take calcium supplements, calcification of the arteries and heart disease were going right up with the intake of calcium, these calcium supplements. So the long and the short of it is, again, I'm going to tell you to see your doctor and have levels checked. If you're fortunate enough to be able to go to a nutritionist and check your diet out. But most people get plenty of calcium through food.
So it's abundant in a lot of foods.
Unless your physician has specifically said you need to take calcium supplements, don't go taking calcium supplements. Don't do things willy-nilly.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you can hurt yourself. So, Sabi, we need to pay attention and not overdo it with the calcium. The US RDA for an adult, so that's your recommended daily allowance, is only 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams. So we really have to read the labels because you'll find calcium in the most random of food products.
Okay, so we were talking, at the beginning, mostly about women because of the osteoporosis scare and everything, and how they were overtaking it. So, there could be calcification of the arteries and, I would imagine maybe other soft tissues. Is there anything, particularly hazardous to males, for instance, for overcalcification?
Actually, there is.
Okay.
Glad you brought that up, Seth. Too much calcium will promote a very vicious and aggressive prostate cancer.
Vicious and aggressive and prostate cancer, that's almost redundant. That's a cancer that, we're still having a lot of trouble with. Some cancers have been mitigated somewhat, but that doesn't seem to be one of them.
This calcium gone unchecked it wreaks havoc. Even like kidney stones, which is something that I've experienced in life. Way worse for guys than it is for girls, kidney stones. But
anyway,
right?
Okay.
Oh my God, it's the closest you people will get
You people.
You people.
Nice. I see.
To delivering a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys having kidney stones.
You know, one of my strongest memories of my childhood, and I was pretty young, I was maybe in like first or second grade, was the morning that my dad had a kidney stone attack. And my dad, big, healthy, robust guy, and, you know, on his knees in the bathroom, you know, screaming because of the pain. So overcalcification, arterial problems because of plaque buildup, kidney stones, again, too much calcium, prostate cancer, which is another scary thing. These are some of the things we have to watch for. Now, it seems to me that as we were planning this little mini-series, that there's a sort of a safety valve that we're going to talk about in our next episode.
Yes, we are.
Which will be coming along. Very soon. Mm-hmm. And do you want to just mention that?
Yes.
Just kind of throw out a teaser.
Yeah, we're going to talk about vitamin K, and specifically vitamin K2. And vitamin K, its role with calcium, it acts as the traffic cop.
Okay, now don't give too much away now, because we're going to come back and talk in detail.
You got to hear about vitamin K, though.
About that, yes.
It's awesome. I love vitamin K.
And a tremendous safety valve, and it really points up again why all four of these, as we've called them, the four amigos, why it's important that they work together and in balance.
Critical.
So, yeah, not something to miss. In the meantime, what would you like to ask people to do?
I would like to ask you guys to, for yourselves, consider asking if you have the ability to go see a nutritionist. Go have your diet checked out, make sure you're getting enough calcium. If your doctor has told you to take calcium supplements, then you follow your doctor's advice. But if you just thought you would just start randomly popping calcium because you thought that was a cool idea, please look at, we have links to the research that we've read below. Right. Do your research. You got to do your research.
Yeah.
You got to do your own research. Don't just start slamming pills and even natural substances and biohacking. You really kind of have to know what you're doing. You can hurt yourself.
Yeah.
So we don't want you to do that. No. We want you to, we're glad you're interested in biohacking. We're glad you're interested in your health. But we don't want you to hurt yourself.
Do your own research, and there is a lot of stuff out there about it. Mm-hmm. So
yeah, but then we give you a fair selection of links down below, fair selection of resources to start with, though, for sure.
Right. And in the meantime, if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, there's a comment section below. It's perfectly fine to be, inquisitive. The second word of the day is inquisitive, given to research or asking questions, eager for knowledge, intellectually curious. Yay! So in the meantime, what should everybody do, JM? Come on.
You should
like, yeah.
Subscribe, ring the bell.
You're obviously going to sing.
I won't sing on this episode. Please give us a like. That helps our channel. And subscriptions will help our channel. But connecting with us too via comments below, that would also help our channel.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, that would be amazing.
Okay.
So.
Very good. So
we'll see you super soon.
Yeah, a couple of days.
With the third amigo.
The third amigo will be along, and we hope to see you then. But for right now, we're going to say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.